we need to watch this price action closely. If we see some sideways action like this, a fake out and this, and then maybe fake out, you can expect a pump.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's your boy CryptoZack. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome back to our new cryptocurrency trading video. What you just saw was our previous clip about the market when we saw the small pump all the way to 26.7 and when it came back all the way down around 26, 200, 300. So what did happen after that? We're gonna dive to it right away. Well, here we're gonna see the 4 hourly chart. We're gonna go back to the 1 hourly chart and see what happened. When we made the video, we talked about this pump and then this rejection that was quite weak from the bulls, but we stated that if we see this rejection and we don't see follow through to the downside to 25k, and instead of that we're gonna see some sideways choppy price action, we're certainly gonna see a pump. And subhanallah, that's exactly what happened. And that's, a certain market psychology that happens a lot with Bitcoin. We also stated that in that previous video also, that this kind of price action is, people accumulate here, smart traders, and then they see the pump, bum. They just take the profits there. You see? Just take the profits. And then the market makers see that the bulls are not in control and they bring it down. And that triggers, many things. First of all, people will jump into this green candle. They will take, Bitcoin is now jumping in, green candle all the way to 40k. Okay? Then the market makers, they know that, so they if the volatility and the volume is not as low, they're just gonna bring back the price. That's what they do. They print Tether, I don't know what they do, BUSD, Binance USD, any kind of USD, and they just trigger potential dump to trap all those longers here and maybe even the breakout traders here. And then they just bring it down, man. They make it crazy. And then when they make price to around 26k again, around support level, they buy again. And a lot of people will likely being trapped and with reverse psychology, thinking that this red candle, which looks pretty amazing on the 1 hourly, but on the daily chart it's not visible. People will jump here in shorts. They will gonna short sell here and gonna dump my stuff. It was pumping, now it's dumping. I can't handle that. And people jump here in shorts and then they pump the price again. So that is what we do at Invested Minds. We try to also bring the psychology behind it. Not only just give you patterns and trading signals. We just want to make sure that people understand a little bit the market psychology, okay? You need to think like market makers. You need to think that market makers are looking constantly how to make money. And how they do make money is triggering as much as possible transactions, orders, because they take a taker fee, maker fees, and all kind of stuff of fees they take from you. And that's the thing, how the market is working, especially at Bitcoin. And after that, when we saw this chop here, and then Bitcoin starts moving around, hold this piece of pattern, for me it was a clear indication that we spoke about at Team Invested Minds, that there is probably a pump coming in. And yeah, that's it. That's the first part of our video. And I hope you guys really watch the video to understand a little bit the psychology that we talk about, possibly risks that there are when we talk about the markets. So for me, right now we're gonna just go back to the monthly. Okay, I just want to, guys, I just wanted to slow it down a little bit, because these price action are so terrible, man. It's so high risk. In a bull market, it's up, 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 up. So every dip, almost every dip, is a buying opportunity. It is so easy to make money. And yeah, as a trader, it is, especially in the beginning phase of your career, it's very difficult to pick and choose the right trades. So for me, that was the most difficult time to understand the market and know that the high risk zone is the sideways action, is this gray box right here. That is what I finally understood, alhamdulillah. Me and my team and my mentor and stuff like that, we shared a lot of knowledge and especially experience, because you can learn the basics of trading, you can learn the theoretic side of it, and patterns and candles and resistance supports and all that stuff, but in the end you need to have that experience. Alhamdulillah, after a lot of falling down and getting up, I'm trying my best still to try to make the best trades and just to be patient sometimes. But let us go back to the monthly chart. What is happening to Bitcoin? I just want to slow down and just chill and without any hurries analyze the market. For me, we are at the gray box, and it's already marked from our previous video. The gray area is the area of the possible retest of the lows. We're gonna see pumps, but maybe weak pumps, and we see it right now. That is a proof that the gray box, the sideways chopping area, is in play right now. Obviously, we see it in the candles, we see it in the charts, we see it on the fundamental aspects of the psychology of the people, the mentality of the people, how they talk about crypto, and you name it. And all those good and bad news have less or none impact on the price action, because people are ignoring the market. It's not volatile enough to attract people's attention. So that is what has happening in the gray area. And for me, we got this green candle hopping up right here. Okay, that's pretty good for the bulls right here, but we need to see this close in the end of the month. If we see this close and seeing a dump of it, and then holding it around for October again, well, October, November, we could see a little bit of a rally towards that 29k that I'm still hoping that is coming in to make the next lower high, and then maybe a retest of these lows here. And maybe the time frame is not perfect, I don't know, it could be taking longer. Maybe this gray box is a little bit wider, and then see the start of the bull market, see a finalized perfect bottom around maybe 10k, 8k, to make those the last dip, the last depression phase, people getting so emotional and really thinking that Bitcoin and the whole cryptocurrency market is over again. That is, to be honest, it's not that I like it. Really, I really wish everyone makes a lot of money in a good way, but that is how these markets work, guys. If you look any market, stock market, any company, you see that last depression phase, lost the emotional pressure on people. That is when I want to see the last drop, which could be very healthy, because as long as it takes before the bull market starts, the higher inshallah the prices will be, the higher the blow off top will be, inshallah the heavier blow off top it will be. Just the last period, like going to 10k, and people will hope that 10k is the last price level that we're gonna see Bitcoin, and then we go up, and then no, we're gonna see a little bit more of a dip to 8k, that's 5k, I mean to 8k, this area right here, 8K, and then go up. That will be amazing, really. So that is on the monthly chart what I'm seeing. The clear works are happening in the gray zone right now. We need to respect that. And yeah, on the short term for the traders, man, I really must say that I don't think it's really worth it, to make all those day trades and stuff like that. These small pumps, $300, $400, $500, $600 pumps, on Bitcoin. I don't know if that's really regarding risk reward a very good idea. But if you want to make some money, you need to make some money. If you can't make some money, you can't make some money. I mean, why not? But I'm just thinking, in a bull market trading, it is way easier, less pressure, no stress. And yeah, that is what I'm seeing right now, guys. Yeah, hello Adam, that is my view right now. Let's go to the 3 months. Maybe 3 months looks pretty amazing, and let's compare this area with this area. Okay, just gonna simply see how many candles it will take to start the bull market after the low. Okay, so we got this lower of 3K. You see that, guys? This low. Okay, look how many candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 candles. So if we go back, we got 5 candles after a local top, a local new lower high, which is comparable with this one. This one right here, let me mark it with this red line. Oh, that one bad. Just mark it with this line here. This here is this candle. 2 green candles. You see that? 2 green candles. 2 green candles. We got this local top right here. We got this local top right here. Okay. Now we're gonna see how many candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6th candle was the start of the bull market. We got this 1. I don't know how to mark it in a better way, but I just gonna make it like this. We got this 1, got this 2, got this 3. Let me delete this one. 3, 4, and then yeah, the purple box starts. So we're gonna talk about July 24. July 24. So it could take another 8 months before we see the bottom, completion of the bottom right here, and then start of the bull market. Yeah, that is on a 3 months candle, the overview, the situation, what we are seeing right now at Invested Minds. We're just gonna wait patiently and see what is happening to a possible retest of 29K, and then we're gonna react on it. If that is a new lower high, that is a major sell signal, and then we're gonna make sure that we ladder in on many positions with all the patience. We're gonna consider that Bitcoin is probably retesting this 10K, 8K area. So yeah, that's it for this video, man. Just quick, simple, and with a clear overview. So that's it, guys, for today. Thank you very much for checking this video out. Please support the channel. We are almost at 1K subscribers. We are now at 841. So we still have like 160 subs still needed. Like the video, subscribe, share it, and yeah, please leave a comment, guys. Are you traders? The viewers, are you also traders or not? Just drop a comment and let's interact. My name is CryptoZack, and we're gonna see each other on the next video, inshallah. Bye bye.